viewers, you are welcome to Bamaina Maths class. In this video, we are going to find the value of x and y in this equation. We have 18 power 2 over 3 times 12 power 1 over 3 equals to 2 power x times 3 power y. So here we are asked to find the value of x and y. Of course, this is an Olympiad question. So let us say solution. First of all, we rewrite the equation given. We have 18 power 2 over 3 times 12 power 1 over 3. Everything equals to 2 power x times 3 power y. So let us look at this 18. So 18 can be expressed as a product of its own prime factors. The same thing, 12 can also be expressed as a product of its own prime factors. For example, if you have 18 here, the first prime number we have is 2, and 18 can be divided by 2. So 18 can be divided by 2. You have 9. 9 cannot be divided by 2, but can be divided by 3. You have 3. Then 3 can be divided by 3. You have 1. The same thing with 12. The first prime number also is 2, and 2 can go into 12. 12 divided by 2, you get 6. Then 6 can also be divided by 2. You get 3. Then 3 divided by 3, you have 1. So now, this 18 is the same thing as 2 times 3 times 3. And 12 it is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 3. So now, instead of 18, we have 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 times 3. Everything power 2 over 3. Then multiply by this one. Then 12 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 3. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. Everything power 1 over 3. We have 1 over 3. Which is the same thing as 2 power x times 3 power y. So we have 2 power x times 3 power y. Now from there, we have this power can be distributed. The power is for both 2, 3, and 3. So let us distribute the power. We have 2 power 2 over 3 times 3 power 2 over 3 times 3 power 2 over 3. You see the power has been distributed to both 2, 3, and 3. Then multiply by this one, the same thing here. This 1 over 3 is going to be distributed. So we have 2 power 1 over 3 times 2 power 1 over 3 times 3 power 1 over 3. So this is the same thing as 2 power x times 3 power y. Now from there, we have every right to rearrange, because we have 2 power something here, we have 2 power something here, we have 2 power something here. So let us rearrange. We have 2 power 2 over 3 times this another 2 power 1 over 3, then times again 2 power 1 over 3. So those that are having 2 are merged together. So let us merge those that are having 3 3. So here we have 3 power 2 over 3 times again we have 3 power 2 over 3, then times here we also have 3 power 1 over 3. So everything equals to 2 power x times 3 power y. Now from there, you recall that if you have a power m times a power n, this is the same thing. Since the bases are the same, according to laws of indices or laws of exponents, you take 1, then you add the powers if it is multiplication between them. So you have m plus n. So this idea is going to be applied here. So now here 2, 2, and 2, we are going to take 1. Then we add the powers. The powers are 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Then multiply by, here 3, 3, 3. You take 1. Then you add the powers, 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So you have 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So everything equals to 2 power x times 3 power y. Now from there, you have, we have, this is 2. Then if you add this one, then the denominators are the same, 3, 3, 3. So you take 1. Then you add the numerators, 2 plus 1 will give you 4. Then times the same thing here, you have 3. Then the powers, you add them. The denominators are the same, 3, 3, 3. You take 1. Then you add the numerators, 2 plus 1, of course, will give you 5. This is the same thing as 2 power x times 3 power y. So now from here, you compare the left hand side to the right hand side. You compare them. If you compare, this is 2 power something, this is 2 power something. Multiply by 3 power something, this is multiply by 3 power something. So you have 2 times 3, you have 2 times 3. So now in place of x, you are having 4 over 3. So it means x equals to 4 over 3, which is the same thing as one whole number, 1 over 3. The same thing, in place of y, you have 5 over 3. Y equals to 5 over 3, which is the same thing as one whole number, 2 over 3. So these are the values of x and y in this problem. Thank you.